This is a 2000 Maxima seatbelt. We went to the junkyard today, or the recycling yard, to get another seatbelt because our seatbelt was broken. The strap was broken, so we didn't know how to replace it. We just thought we'd take the whole thing out. So when we got home, it was locked. Well, how the heck do you release the thing? There's been a couple videos on there where you get down on the side of here and try to do all that, but we just opened up. My son and I opened up the side of the seatbelt assembly because it sits in the car like this, and then the belt pulls forward, attaches to the floor, then goes over your shoulder, blah blah blah. And so we couldn't figure out how to get it undone. So we took the side panel off, started looking around a little bit. I went to go get a hat so I could put my flashlight in it, and so I could hold the flashlight. Well, while I was gone, my son happened to just hold his finger down on this little latch inside of here, where that little ball is. So you can see it operating properly. But if you put your hand down on the little plastic piece down inside of there, it'll release. And how wonderful that he discovered that. So you can still see that under normal operations that it will work properly. Maybe. And then you can take it out. I'm not sure if we're doing that right, but see how, and then we can quickly pull it and it'll release. It'll work properly. It'll work properly, but it's got to be in the down position. But because the belt was all the way pulled in, so we had to trigger something to get us a little bit of slack. But that ball's got to be all the way down, and then you can see it'll work under normal operation. Anyways, me and my son Joe, that's what we're doing. Junkyard dogs.